Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Chrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey, hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Guys, today we're doing a wig review courtesy of Ebonyline. Thank you guys so much for sending me this unit. We're going to be talking about this It's a Wig Jade unit right here. If you want to know how I feel about her, stay tuned.
I wanna be that. Oh yeah. 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 I know anybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need's a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. I wanna be that. Oh yeah. 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 I wanna be that. Yeah. Done with you. But I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Down with you. Oh, it's true. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. Oh, yeah.
So I'm back. We're done putting her on, and let's go ahead and talk about this unit. So this is Miss Jade from It's a Wig. This is a 13x6 frontal natural hairline wig. It's saying that it's an HD lace. Y'all know how I feel about HD lace and synthetic units. Okay. What else is it saying? It's saying, it actually says 5G true HD transparent lace. You know what? Once you match the color up right, she's okay. She's cool. It's saying it's pre-tweeze, true hairline, laid perfection, ear-to-ear lace, and she's heat safe. So this does come with that whole 13x6 frontal effect, which is actually really cute if you kind of want to do some styles or do whatever you want to do with her. I showed you guys how much parting space she has. I went ahead and put it on the side. You know what? I'm not even gonna do that. I'm not gonna play myself like that. I showed you guys in the put down how the parting space looks, where you can move her all around and do what you want to do with her. The reason I say that I am not gonna play myself is because this is a beautiful wig. She's absolutely gorgeous, but she's synthetic, okay? So the issue with moving around curly synthetic units, sometimes it just kind of gets like a little tangly and stuck, but she has a lot of good parting space in here. So I feel like once you set her right and you get the side that you want, you should be all right. But it's just to move her. is kind of, you know, it's a little work. You know, she's synthetic. It is what it is. I do like the waves on this. I feel like it's really pretty. I did go ahead and melt this down for you guys because I wanted to see if it was kind of truly HD, and I feel like she is. She's HD if you get the color right, okay? Let's say it again. She's HD if you get the color right. So the lace color was absolutely not my color, but I did go in with some Ebin tint spray, did what I needed to do, and get her right, and she's looking all right. Now, this cap feels amazing. It's really comfortable. I'm really getting a lot of space in here. If you glue this unit down, you can absolutely touch the side and melt her really good. This side, as you guys saw, I did rip it, okay? It's a wig. It's the person laying down a wig, because I have a history of ripping wigs, and yes, so be very careful. But this lace is pretty strong, guys, so it's not really the company. I think it's just the way I was moving it. It just kind of ripped, so just be careful with that. I left that part in there just to show you guys that these laces absolutely do rip. I do like the fact that this is the hairline though of what was ripped, and look how small those knots look, guys. Like, these knots are really thin, they're really small, so I feel like they did a good job with pre-plucking and making it look realistic. I feel like they did a really good job with making it look natural, you know, so she is giving like human hair looks, but keyword of the day, synthetic, okay? So I think you guys need to just keep in mind what you're paying for when you get units like this. You can absolutely get a look, but she is a synthetic unit. She is giving me human hair feels and looks, but she's synthetic. Is she gonna hold up? It kind of depends on the way you care for it, but I don't feel like this is gonna hold up that long, which I'm kind of a little disappointed with, because this is a pretty wig, but I just feel like you can't get too much out of her. I mean, my hands can't even really run through her. I did put some serum and some water on it, but you know, with some of these textures looking like this, it's just kind of hard to maneuver. She's tangling on me, and I'm not even too sure how long she's gonna last. But she's cute, she's beautiful. The length, this is what she's looking like. She's a really pretty long wig. This is what she's looking like in the front, and she does kind of have some layers right here on the side, but she's really long, kind of coming down to my hip. And the back, super long, coming like way past my butt, okay? Now the price of this wig is in the $50 range. Do I feel like she's worth it? I can't tell you what is worth it for you, girl. I can't tell you what to do with your money, but what I can tell you is what you're paying for. You're paying for this frontal, you're paying for this look, and I feel like that's kind of what you're paying for, the HD and frontal effect. But the fact that she's synthetic and, you know, she's cute, but they do have like some lace part options out there that are a little bit more affordable. But if you want that whole frontal effect and glue her down and parting space, then yes, absolutely. Maybe she could have been like more in like the $40 range to me, but that's just my opinion. I think she's super pretty. She's definitely gonna get bigger over time because she is synthetic, but she's cute, y'all. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this wig. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, drop me a comment, let's chat, and until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.